This year we are doing the 18th ITSAP Annual Awards and Product Showcase event. This year it's a two-day event. Today is where we have the inaugural function. We also have the final evaluation of all the product companies. We have a lot of panel discussions. One is obviously related to products and all of that. Second is we have two separate tracks. One is on security related issues, how we can be better prepared for tomorrow. The third one is related to green IT. What are the IT companies doing related to the environment, and how do you ensure that we tackle the global warming problem. And tomorrow is when we have the final award ceremony, and we'll be giving away awards in multiple categories. We'll be giving away awards to service companies, product companies, SMEs, large companies. We'll be giving away companies who are India-based companies or MNCs, all of that stuff. Like I said, this year we also introduced an award for the green IT practices. So the Green IT Company of the Year we have introduced for the first time. Additionally, this year we also focused on the Tier 2 cities in Andhra Pradesh, basically Vizag, Vijayawada, Tirupati and Kakinada. So we are also giving awards to those companies tomorrow. So those are the awards we are giving tomorrow. Additionally, like from last year, we have given an opportunity for all these companies, product companies specifically, to demonstrate their products to a wider audience through a showcase. And this year we have more than 100 companies demonstrating various products. And we believe that that will go a long way in these companies doing well and for the industry to do well. I think definitely, increasingly technology is getting better and better, and it is getting closer and closer to the end user. And online is the way to go, wireless is the way to go, internet is the way to go, and basically all these various technologies help ensure that a common citizen is aware of issues around the world, and he can also pick and choose what is of interest to him. He doesn't have to slip through some 10 different websites to find out what he wants. He doesn't have to read 20 different newspapers. He can, with a click of a button, he can get what he wants. So I think it's definitely a great trend. I think it will only strengthen further, especially in a country like India, which is so widely spread with so many people. I think this mode will probably pick up speed. Also, with things like 3G, which are expected to hit the country, I think the adoption of this will definitely improve. In the IT industry is one such industry where there are opportunities continuously, newer opportunities every day, every year, and I expect it to last the next 15-20 years easily. Okay, definitely we have moved away from being a commodity service, the Indian IT industry, to a more specialized service with higher value add. So for entrepreneurs who are coming up today, their focus has to be on innovation, their focus to be on ideas. Equally, they have to focus on creating intellectual property and delivering more value to their identified customers. So it's all about value, it's all about intellectual property, it's all about leveraging technology, and it's all about ideas. And as much as it is about new ideas, it's also about executing on those ideas. And like I said, you can never forget about who's your intended beneficiary, who's your target audience, and what does they need. So you'll have to start from there and use technology to deliver that value. I think definitely the opportunity is there for the right idea, for the right entrepreneur. And I think we're just scratching at the tip of the iceberg. Really, there is so much opportunity here.